Hello dreamers, welcome back to my next video. Today we are going to make bread toast. For that we need some slices of bread, carrot, onion, green chili, tomato sauce or ketchup. I have taken tomato sauce, chicken or fish. Today I have taken chicken, and two types of cheese. So we will move on to the steps. So I am going to place 2 slices of bread and will be adding tomato sauce on both the slices. You can skip this part. Now I am going to add some carrots. I have grated the carrots. Now I will be placing the onion. The onions are chopped finely into small pieces. Then I am adding some green chilies. Now I am going to keep the chicken. So I am placing it here and there. And then the cheese. I am keeping 2 types of cheeses. So I am closing with the other slice. Now I have taken a pan and placing the bread on it. And I am going to toast each side for 5 minutes. You can press slightly. Give a little pressure. Now I am going to turn the other side. So brown in color. You can keep for 5 minutes. Keep in low flame. So now the toast is ready. I hope you like the video. If you like, give a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. I will see you all on the next video. Bye dreamers.